Yes, today our anchor is Swani, and she will announce the names of all the students who have given their names to speak. And today's topic is newspaper. Today you have to speak about newspaper. Okay? So yes, Swani, now start.
Hello, all of you. Today's our topic is newspaper. So, please start, Miss Gati.
Yes.
Hello everyone, my name is Gati, and we all know that today's our topic is about newspaper. In present time, newspaper has become an essential part of our life. It is like a window through which we can see about all over world. And present time, it has become a very useful thing for us, which people have. Uh, which people have a habit to read newspaper,
Nahi,
then
which
they
people? Those people who
so
have a habit.
those people who have a habit to read newspaper, they can't live without it. And newspaper has separate parts of all types of news. There are political news in it. There is political news in it, by which we can know about the political condition in our India, in our locality. And the newspaper is available in all languages, and there are many types of newspaper like Rajasthan Patrika, Dainik Bhaskar, The Hindu, Navjyoti, Dainik Jagran. Many types of newspaper are there, and we can read newspaper by our comfortability. And there are many sports news also in it. Now present time, when the Olympic was going on is going on, then we can see the news of their the news of it by sitting at one place in our home by and there are many recipes on it, like Wednesday, the Madhurima comes with Dainik Bhaskar, which has many types of stories and many types of jokes, and Bollywood news also provided by the newspapers. So it is very important thing, and we can find jobs from it, because there are many types of ads in it, like and marriage proposals are also given in it. And we can see international affairs in it. In many exams, the current affair is very important, and the most of the part of syllabus is covered by current affairs, which is only completed by the newspaper. So it is very important, and the reading of newspaper is a very good habit, and everyone have should improve their reading skills. And in speaking in learning English, it helps too much, because by reading newspaper, we can increase our skill of reading and also listening, and also speaking, because many types of vocabulary we can complete by the newspaper. So it is very good thing, and that's it.
Very good. Yes, Swani.
You speak very well,
Hmm.
and your contents is very well.
Very good.
I see your name. You write your name mostly first of all. So now it's turn of Drishya.
वेरी गुड यार, बहुत अच्छा बोलती है ये तो. शाबाश, वेरी गुड. और सभी लोग ध्यान से सुने. आपको जब दूसरों को सुनेंगे ना, तो आपको कुछ नए पॉइंट्स पता चलेंगे. आप उनको नोट कर सकते हो. समझ रहे हैं ना आप? और ट्राई टू डू योर बेस्ट. यस, नाउ.
Hello everyone, I am Drishya Agrawal. I am the student of Raman English Online Interactive Classes B8. Today I am going to tell you about newspaper. Newspaper is made up of papers. It gives us many news, so many news. It gives us political news, cultural news, government news also, etc. It contains many types of ads, like cars ads, jobs ads, etc., shampoo ads, etc. It contains so many puzzles, so we can complete them and increase our knowledge we can also improve our English by newspaper, because um, English newspaper also come in English language, so we can read them and um, know English by them easily. Newspaper comes in so many languages. There are many languages in a newspaper, like Marathi, Hindi, English, Tamil, etc. So many people read a newspaper for increasing their knowledge, so they can get knowledge all over the world. Many people cannot leave their habit of reading newspaper. Newspaper also gives us knowledge about where we are getting our jobs, so we can work there and earn some money. Phone numbers are also written there, so we can get some information about them, that areas also. That's it.
You speak very well, and you speak very well, and you speak next time better than this day. You speak very well. And now is turn of Miss Tamanna.
वेरी गुड यार, बहुत अच्छा बोलती है तो बहुत अच्छा एंकरिंग करती है लड़की, शाबाश। खुल जाओगे बेटा, खुल जाओगे, आपको लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएंगी। यस तमन्ना, योर वॉइस इज नॉट कमिंग। नहीं आ रही आवाज ना, कोई बात नहीं, आप अपना सिस्टम ठीक करो, है ना। और यस सुहानी, अगला देखो आप।
So, Miss Tamanna is come next. So
Will
now
come
is
next,
turn
yes.
of Miss Karina.
Yes.
Will come next.
हाँ.
Now is turn of Miss Karina.
Hello everyone, my name is Karina Nanwani. Today I am telling about the newspaper. A newspaper is one of the most important source of our media. It contains important information for society and for us. It has various types of news like national news, political news, local news, crime-based news,
Your voice is not
and
clear.
entertainment news, and sports news, etc. A newspaper is part of the daily routine. It connects us by the world. It contains not only the national level of news, but it also contains world level information. In the world of internet, newspaper has its own place. People have a habit of reading the newspaper early in the morning. It is often seen that
Often नहीं,
people
often। हाँ बोलो, कोई बात नहीं। हाँ
often seen that people have a crave for reading the newspaper at least once in a day, and also we have to read the newspaper for the information and for increasing our knowledge. That's all.
वेरी गुड।
Yeah, you speak very well, and your contents is very good, and your flow is also very good. And now is turn of Miss Payal.
स्पर्श।
Sparsh. Now is turn of Sparsh.
Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Ishwar Gupta. I am the student of Brahman English online interactive classes from batch B1, and today's my topic is newspaper. Newspaper is very useful and important thing in our life. It has become a habit of many people, and it is a good habit for everyone. Newspaper is very important because it is like a world window through which we can get the information of any place. We can get information of economical, political, and many sports and etc. news through it. We can find it in many languages like Marathi,
अच्छा कोई बात
Hindi,
नहीं, बोल तो
English,
लिया ना तुमने।
etc.
चलो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, आप लीव कर सकते
There
हो,
are
बाद में
many
सुन
types
लेना
of
सबकी
newspaper
रिकॉर्डिंग, है
like
ना।
Dainik Bhaskar, Divya Jyoti, Rashtan Patrika, the New York Times, the Times of India, etc. Newspaper has become a part of our life. We can't imagine our life. We can't imagine our life without it. We can find. We can get the information about sports. We can get job through it. We can get. We can win money through it. There are so many ads are in there are so many ads in newspaper by which we can find shops for rent and place for rent and houses for rent, etc. And this is very useful thing in our life. That's it.
Excellent, you speak very well. And now is turn of Miss Payal.
Hello everyone, my name is Payal. Uh, today, today talking about newspaper. Newspaper is a very powerful. Newspaper is a printed printed media and one of the oldest one of the oldest one of the oldest form of the mass communication in the world. सर आवृत्ति को क्या बोलते हैं?
फ्रीक्वेंसी.
ओके सर.
आवृत्ति का मतलब क्या है? मैं तो वो भी क्लियर नहीं है मेरे को, थोड़ी सी हिंदी वीक है मेरी. आप छोड़ दो, आप आगे बोलो, कोई बात नहीं है. पूरा सेंटेंस बोलोगे तो मैं शायद बता दूं आपको.
सर जैसे न्यूज़पेपर अपन सामने लोगों के लिए एक तरह से आवृत्ति में जैसे अपन किसी को न्यूज़पेपर अपने आ रहे हैं पब्लिक के लिए अपन दे रहे हैं तो एक तरह से आवृत्ति हो जाती है ना सर. न्यूज़पेपर में कैसे कैसे कौन कौन से टॉपिक को आते हैं उस हिसाब से.
नहीं, आवृत्ति तो नहीं, वो तो अलग चीज है. कुछ आवृत्ति पता नहीं क्या होता है, मेरे को तो वो भी ध्यान नहीं है हिंदी में. पर आप जो कहना चाह रहे हो ना वो बात समझ में नहीं आ रही प्रॉपर. छोड़ो, आप उस सेंटेंस को आप आगे बोल दो.
ओके सर. न्यूज़पेपर पब्लिकेशन आर सर मैं ऐसे बोल के देखती हूँ एक बार. न्यूज़पेपर पब्लिकेशन आर सर फ्रीक्वेंसी.
वो तो मैंने बताया आपको.
बेस्ड.
हाँ, वो तो मैंने बताया था आपको, फ्रीक्वेंसी बेस्ड.
लाइक डेली वीकली. There are many subjects like political, sports, entertainment, education, business, culture, etc. Newspaper circulation start in the 17th century. Government and other official announcements in the newspaper. Newspaper is the best media, like media. That's it, sir.
Okay.
Excellent, you speak very well. And next time you speak better. And now it's turn of Miss Khushbu.
Hello everyone, my name is Khushbu Peswani and I am the student of Rambad Online Interactive Classes Batch First. And today I want to tell you about newspaper. As we all know that present time newspaper is very important thing for us because we can see what is going on in our country very easily by the help of newspaper. Newspaper has divided a lot of sections like district news and business news, sports news, political news, economic news, and there is a lot of advertisement of newspaper, and we can see and they can help very easily for us. And there are a lot of types of newspaper like Dainik Bhaskar, Rajasthan Patrika, the Times of India, etc. And they help we can see new words in the newspaper, and we can improve our GK by the help of newspaper. And now if I talk about English news, if we read daily English news, we can improve ourselves by the in listening and reading, because if we don't read newspaper, we are सर आलसी को क्या बोलते हैं?
Lazy.
We are lazy. And if I talk about newspaper classified a lot of section. If I talk about sports news, and sports news has a lot of sections, and what is going on in our country we can see very easily in sports news. If I talk about business news, latest market up down and going on in the business news. If I talk about economic news, what is going on in our country in economical, we can see very easily in the newspaper. That's it.
Excellent, and you speak very well. And while you speaking, you done no mistakes in speaking. So now is turn of Harshit.
Hello everyone, my name is Harshit and I am the student of BE Trambad Online Interactive Classes. As we all know that today's our topic is newspaper. So let's start. Newspaper is like a window by which we can know all the news of entire world. There are many types of news like Dainik Bhaskar, Dainik Jagran, The Time of India, and Rajasthan Patrika, etc. Newspaper, there are in many newspaper present in many type of languages, and the newspaper is very important for us. Newspaper is not like a paper; it is like a treasure. And newspaper is also present in the language of English, which there are many types of sentences and words to whom we don't know their means also. And then there are many types of news of social work, natural, educational, and tour, etc. And it gives the news of temperature also, and that where is rain going on and where is not. So it is also helpful in many ways. That's also.
Good, you speak very well, and next time you speak better. So next turn, so this is turn of Shri.
Hello everyone, my name is Nitija Sharma and today I tell you about newspaper. In present time there are so many electronic devices by which we can increase our knowledge, but newspaper is also very important in our life. Newspaper is printed on paper. There are so many types of newspaper as Patrika, Dainik Bhaskar, Times of India, etc.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत अच्छा बेटा. हाँ.
There are English newspaper also. We can increase our knowledge by it. We can increase our Hindi knowledge and English knowledge by it. We can increase our reading skills by it. We can know what is going on this world easily. We can know about sports, ball cat, etc. We can that's it.
ओके बेटा, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की है. तेरा जितना
Very
लेवल है
good.
ना, उस हिसाब से तूने बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की है. हाँ बोल सुहानी.
Very good, you speak very well. And now is turn of Miss Ruchika.
Hmm.
Hello friends, myself Ruchika and today I am telling about newspaper. As we all know that the present age is the modern, so there are many things like newspaper is one of them. Newspaper is a window through which we get a lot of knowledge of whole the world and of our country. Newspaper gives us a lot of knowledge. Newspaper is divided in many parts like Rajasthan Patrika, Dainik Bhaskar, Navjyoti, Rasrang, Parivar, etc. Every paper gives us different type of news. In the Rajasthan Patrika, we get some different, and in the Dainik Bhaskar we get another. And in these papers, we get that what is going on uh, in the present, what is going on in the India or in the whole world. If I talk before some few days, then we could not get the knowledge of Jaipur, like the lighting shot of Amir. We got that knowledge after 6 or 10 days. So it is also very fast vehicle that tells us the knowledge to second day or that same day.
Hmm.
And newspaper has so many policies, and if we are doing competition
Preparations.
preparations, then we can get the knowledge of it through the newspaper, like what is the timetable and which types of topics will come or syllabus, and so many things. It is very useful for higher level competition preparation, because there here so many current affairs comes that we cannot get in the books, phone and any other thing. And the in the on the Wednesday and Saturday, in the Rajasthan Patrika, two papers come. First, Parivar. It is useful because through it we get moral stories, and some our health regarding things. These are very useful, and through the newspapers we get some slogans of our elders and of our elders. And through the newspaper, we can take the advertisement of something, like changing our house rent on shop on the rent, etc. And in the sports we can get the knowledge of sports, like nowadays Olympic is going on, so we can know that what is going on there, and all the knowledge we get. And it is just like a link through it is just like a link that connects us from the world,
With the
and
world. हाँ, कोई बात नहीं. With the world.
with the world.
Hmm.
And it is also useful in a political, and the newspaper joins to the people from the with the politicals, because through the newspaper we can tell our problem to the politicians, and they can also tell their solutions. And in the India, if a new policy comes, then it comes first. It comes in the newspaper, so it is also useful for government. And through the newspaper we can see many charts, and there are many recipes. And in the Bollywood, we can know the knowledge of there also. And newspaper has many types of knowledge, many types of languages, like Marathi, Punjabi, and Gujarati, etc.
And that's all, sir.
Very good.
Very good on, and your contents, your flow is very good, and you have good knowledge about newspaper, and it is very good for you. I give you a like, and and now it's turn of Priya.
Beta, Tamanna has come, so now you can call the name of Tamanna.
Okay, and now it's turn of Tamanna.
तमन्ना, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है, तो मैं दोबारा दूसरा नंबर ऐड कर दूं क्या आपका? पहले वाला नंबर गर्दन हिला के बोलो, कर दूं? अच्छा, तो आप इसको ठीक करो बेटा, आवाज नहीं आ रही है आपकी, आप और ट्राई करो जब तक. हाँ, यस, कम ऑन सुहानी, कैरी ऑन विद द नेक्स्ट नेम.
Her network is not available, so now it's turn of Priya.
Yes, sir. Hello friends, my name is Priya Meena and today I am telling about a newspaper. As we all know very well that newspaper is the part of our life. Every person, when every person get up, so he starts his work to the newspaper.
By reading newspaper. Okay.
Newspaper is an important important source of our life. It is very helpful. It is very helpful for us. In it, we can watch many news. By it, we are connective of all
Connected. कोई बात नहीं, बोल बेटा.
Of all the world, and it is very useful for the business because we can see in it many business things. It is very useful for the student because they can watch their study material in this, and they can also increase their general knowledge in this. It is also very useful for the housewives because in the many pages are the newspaper. In this, there are many pages in the newspaper which are fill the recipes. So and newspaper is also very important source for us because we can increase our knowledge, we can increase our GK and our life skills, our reading skills also. That's it, sir.
Good, your speaking is very well and your flow is very well. And now it's turn of Miss Jyoti.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Jyoti Narwal and I am the student of Ramban Online Jyoti class BS First. Today I am here to speak about the newspaper, and we all know very well that the newspaper is very important in our life. Without newspaper we can't get any information about the whole world. So newspaper gave us many knowledge like international, national, local, and political, economically, and sports, job vacancy, business, advertisement, etc. If we want to get about business, then we can read business part in the newspaper, and many students those preparation for job, they must read those line like job vacancy and current affairs and GK also in newspaper, and many people who want to get information about sports, so they have to read about sports news in the newspaper, and there are many newspapers in India like Rajasthan Patrika, Dainik Bhaskar, Navjyoti, Times of India, Dainik Jagran, and Rasrang also. And those newspapers are available in all languages like Hindi, English, Marathi, Gujarati, etc. And and I and there and on and on Wednesday, Saturday and Sunday, newspapers is come with many stories and many helpful things like health regarding. And when I read newspaper, then I wait for Saturday, Wednesday, and Sunday newspaper, because on this day I on this day I wait for inspiration stories and many democratic news also come on Wednesday news in Parivar. And many women read those recipes and they try to do in kitchen. And many businessmen also give advertisement for selling land, and many person give advertisement for marriage, and those person also give advertisement. And many person also give advertisement for lost her things. And it is very important for all person, because they read those part according her interest in news. That
Very good. You're speaking and your flow is very well. And now it's turn of Miss Sonam.
Hello everyone. Today I am talking about newspaper. Newspaper is an essential part of our life, by which we can get news all over the world. Newspaper provided information and general knowledge. Newspaper provided many types news like sports, games, entertainment, etc. Reading newspaper makes a good habit. North, east, west, south, past and present event report is the full form of newspaper. There are many types newspaper like Dainik Bhaskar, Rajasthan Patrika, etc. Newspaper informs us about what is happening around the world. Newspaper is one of the most important means of communication in the world. Reading newspaper is a good habit. A newspaper is a publication in which is printed on a paper. It educates us. It tells about culture, traditions, dance and sports, etc. It also describes the issues of the world. We should read newspaper daily. It has become a part of our daily routine. A student must read newspaper. It is very important to all people. That's it, sir.
Very good. You speak very well. And now it's turn of Miss Priyanka.
Yes. Hello friends, myself Priyanka Sharma from B2. Today I want to tell you about a newspaper. Our day starts with a newspaper. Nowadays, the newspaper has been a necessity of the life. Newspapers provides us information and general knowledge. It is already part of the modern life. A newspaper is one of the important source of media, and a newspaper is part of the daily routine. People have a habit of reading early in the morning, and it is available in the market in almost all languages. Newspaper gives us all about what is happening in our own country as well as whole world. It is one of the greatest means of communication between people and the world. It is also a great medium of knowledge, so we should accept it in our daily life. That's it, sir.
Very good. बोल, कमेंट कर. सुहानी सो गई क्या?
नहीं सर, सर मेरा माइक ऑन नहीं हो रहा था.
आप बोल.
Your speaking is very well and your flow is very well. And now is turn of Purnima ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. Now our today's topic is newspaper. So I want to tell about the newspaper. One of the most beneficial habit is reading the newspaper, as we are getting information from a reliable source to know about the latest events. We also get to know about the different entertainment industries like sports, politics, economics, and much more. Reliable companies for business and employment opportunities post their ad in the newspaper so that people can see how the company is a good place to seek jobs. And most important, newspaper help in developing a personal vocabulary. With the reading of a newspaper, we can improve our vocabulary and grammar also, and speaking also in different languages, because newspaper is available in different languages like Hindi, English, and other local or state languages. Some newspapers names like Amar Ujala, Dainik Jagran, Hindustan Times, Times of India. These are the most important some main newspapers which we usually hear or read. For the aspirants which they in preparation time, Times of India, Hindustan Times is the most important newspaper for them. You can correct your grammar and learn new words by reading a newspaper. As everything is visual and convenient nowadays, but nowadays we can not only depend on physical copy of newspaper, we can found newspaper in our smartphones, so we can read and know about everything what is happening in all over the world in every field, and what our government or our politician do for our benefits, what policies are come out, what treaties are happening with between two countries, our friend countries, our enemy countries, and what accidents are happened, and like 2 or 3 days ago, we read a news that in Banaras, some caught 2 terrorists, and they have 3 or 4 bombs. So we can keep update yourself
Ourselves.
ourselves by newspaper. Newspaper provide us with relevant international as well as local news. We can read, we can know about international, national, state level, local level, about our city, about our colony, about everything. This is not useful for some selected pupils. This is useful for everybody, like for children's. There we found some cartoons, some stories for children. For housewives, there we read a particular book which is come in Friday. There ladies can found some cooking recipe, some personal problems related solution, or generally we saw in our house our elders like father, grandfather is only that person who read the newspaper, but exactly it is not for or them only. It is for all. Newspaper helps is individual to stay up to date with all the current affairs. We get a clear and better ideas about countries' social, economic and political situations. Reading a newspaper makes ourselves fluency in English, in Hindi, in every field, because there we can found very selected and very affected and correct words. It generally says that you read English newspaper because improving your English, but not only for English, it is also useful for Hindi, because when we read in territorial page, there we found some different words in Hindi which we can use in our essays, in our effective become effect. Okay. Sorry. The confidence to take part in the debates and discussion are provided through daily reading newspaper. A better idea about all politics of our country is transparently provided through newspaper. Newspaper can help us seek for employment. A newspaper has a minimum chance of false or incorrect news. Reading a newspaper regularly will help you boost reading and will become much faster. Newspaper provides one's way of writing. So newspaper look like a very old way. In our freedom time, we can I just share this thing with all of you. In this is not mean the current. This is not a mean of current age. This is this is useful for
Oh
our
my God.
from our
दूसरा कोई नहीं है
ancient
क्या फोन मुझसे
period
कनेक्ट हो
or
जा
our freedom time, because our first
तो क्या करेगी
newspaper
अब
is published by Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
अब तो पापा
Kesari
से बोल
in
चार्ज करवा देंगे कोई छोटा मोटा
Hindi and Bengali in Bengali in
अरे
Hindi,
बेटा पापा
Kesari
चार्ज
in
करवा देंगे कोई 10-12
English.
रुपए का चार्ज हो
So
जाता है पर डे वाला
that time
हाँ पापा को बोल चार्ज करवा देंगे फटाफट 10-12 मिनट का
people are
10-12 रुपए का चार्ज हो
eagerly
जाता है बेटा
wait
पहले
for
एक महीने 1.5 GB मिल
newspaper,
जाएगा तेरे
because
को
newspaper is the
पापा
only
को बोल
way
एक बार करवा देंगे है
when
ना
they come to know
हाँ
what is happening in all over the India. So I request and suggest all of you, please read the news and current affairs regularly, doesn't matter by physically, by smartphone, by any way, by any way, but read usually. That's it, sir.
Very good. Nice speaking, Purnima. And
Thank you.
unfortunately, Suhani has gone because of network problem. So, is there anyone who is ready to take the place of Suhani?
I am, sir.
Yes, come on, Purnima.
Okay, sir. So next one is Ashfaq Khan.
Yes.
Hello everyone, my name is Ashfaq Khan and I am the student of Rambad English Online Intuitive Classes. Today's our topic is newspaper. So I start my topic. Newspaper is very useful for us, and about it we can take news of worlds.
By it.
We can take news of world. We can't live without it. There are many types of ads in it, and this ads is also very important for us and helpful also, है ना? We can't imagine our life without it, and many types of newspaper we can take. Newspaper like Rajasthan Patrika, Dainik Bhaskar, and we can take news of education, sports.
Take की जगह यहाँ पे get आएगा. We can get
news of sports, education, business, and etc. And there are many types of newspaper like Dainik Bhaskar, Rajasthan Patrika, Times of India. Newspaper is very important for us because without it, and newspaper is printed by media, and it is available in the market in many types of many languages. There are many recipes in it, so women can prepare nice food by it. That's it.
Okay. कोई बात नहीं. अभी तो आप B8 वाले हो ना, तो आपको थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा अभी, लेकिन फिर भी अच्छी कोशिश है आपकी. यस पूर्णिमा.
Thank you, Ashfaq. You speak very well from beginning to now. I know this is a very key topic, so you generally we don't have a very enough sentences to speak on this topic, but keep it up. Now next turn is Nisha.
Hello everyone, my name is Nisha. I am a student of Raman Online Interactive Classes from V6. Today I am going to tell you about newspaper. Newspaper is very important in our life because it have become part of our life. There are many types of newspapers like Det Patrika, Rajasthan Patrika, and Dainik Bhaskar, etc. We can get knowledge of other worlds, and we can know that what is happening in our world. It came also in many languages like that English, Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, etc. And students and all people can read it in our languages, in their languages. Sorry. It is very useful to business because many things of business and knowledge in it, and businessman can get knowledge in it, by it. It is very useful to students because it is provided knowledge of sports knowledge, economic, etc. It is very useful to us because we can get knowledge of our world, state, and districts. and it is very useful to children because some days many stories and puzzles and questions came in newspaper, and childrens can do it easily. It is very useful to housewives because some because some, because all days uh, all days came recipe in newspaper, and housewife is prepare good food, and they can get knowledge of cooking, and it is very useful to all peoples because they can get knowledge anything, and they can know that what is happening in our state, district, and country, and we can get knowledge of other country. So we can say that uh, newspaper is very important and necessary, so we cannot live without it. That's it.
Very good. I think Swani has come.
Okay, sir.
Just come on, Purnima. You can give your comment upon the saying of Nisha.
Nisha, you spoke very well. Your flow is very good, and your content is also very good and very good. Keep it up.
Yes.
Now, next turn is Vinay.
Yeah. Swani, are you able to take over the class? Swani? Okay, she is not able. Okay, Purnima, you keep it up.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to share you my views about newspaper. As we know, newspaper is an essential part of our life. Newspaper is a very powerful medium of information, and newspaper is a very essential thing, as by through we can get all the knowledge of what is happening around us. And newspaper circulation started in 17th century. Government and other official announcements are done in by newspaper. Like it is a like a window by through we can get all news or information. Newspaper gives us newspaper gives all type of news like sports news, political news, weather news, Hollywood news, Bollywood news, and other. And in earlier time, newspaper was only the source of information, and people waited for newspaper very eagerly. And although students also depended for their result on it, because result was declared by newspaper. Uh, Even I have seen my 10th and 12th result in newspaper, and I have seen lots of people, those who are very much fond of newspaper, they can leave their food, fight with anyone, but cannot leave their newspaper and without reading news. They can live without reading newspaper. And we can have newspaper in many languages, and our first newspaper was Kesari, and which was started by Tilakji, and Kesari in Bengali and Bengali in Hindi language. Kesari in Bengali language and Bengali is Hindi language. We have lots of newspaper. We have Hindi newspaper like Amar Ujala and Dainik Jagran and other. And in English, Hindustan Times and Times of India and so on. And students, those who are preparing for UPSC, it is compulsory for them to read newspaper daily, and because only through they can keep themselves updated what is going on, what is happening all over the world and our country and state. And newspaper gives us lots of other informations and informations, and we can get we can job vacancy by the newspaper, and vacancies get निकाली जाती है सर.
Published vacancies are published in newspaper.
Yes, yes. And, vacancies published in newspaper. Not only not only we have news information from the newspaper, we have some game part in it, and we use old newspaper in several things, like we make lifafa is made by old newspaper, and sometimes we spread newspaper in our almiras so that we can keep our almiras neat and clean, and this is the main source of information, and it is a very useful for us in so many ways, and at last we can say we can say that it is a very useful for everyone. Thank you, sir.
Yes, Purnima.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Today you speak very calm and patience,
Yes.
patiently, and without any hesitation and any hard hesitation नहीं होगा. So nice. Keep it up. Next turn is Dilkhush.
Hello friends, my name is Dilkhush Mina. Today I am telling about newspaper. Newspaper is very useful and helpful for our daily life. There are many types of newspaper like Dainik Bhaskar, Rajasthan Patrika, Punjab Keshari, etc. It is the thing which gives many news to us like sports news, international news, state news, etc. We can take much knowledge by it. We can find many jobs through it. We can play many games through it. There are many recipes in it, by which we can cook food according recipes. There are many GK questions in it. There are many GK questions in it, which is very useful and helpful for us. Now the newspaper has become the part of our life, so we can't live without newspaper. That's it.
Thank you, Dilkhush. You speak very well. You speak short but very effectively. So next turn is Vansh.
Hello friends, my name is Vansh Sharma from B8. Today's topic is newspaper.
Hello.
Newspaper is necessary for all. It is because it is good. There are many news in newspaper like sports news, historical news,
Home tuition.
etc.
क्या प्रॉब्लम है मैडम? मैं थोड़ी देर के बाद आपको कॉल बैक करके बात करता हूँ आपसे, है ना? क्लास में हूँ मैं ना.
There are many recipes in news, and there are many types of newspaper like Dainik Bhaskar, Rajasthan Patrika, Times of India, etc. We can't leave a newspaper. We should leave. We should read newspaper daily. There are many news channel news. There are many languages in newspaper like Hindi, English, Urdu, Farsi, etc. That's it.
ओके बेटा, कोई बात नहीं बेटा, और कोशिश करना है ना.
ओके सर.
ओके बेटा. यस पूर्णिमा.
Yeah. Very good, Vansh. You try your best. Keep it up. Now next is Neha.
Hello friends, myself Neha Sharma, and I am the student of Ramban Live Interactive Classes. I want to telling about newspaper. What is newspaper? Newspaper is a main need of pupil, and it gives worldwide news. It keeps to attach us with our world. And how many types? And the next question will be, how many types of newspaper are newspaper? There are many types of newspaper, like daily newspaper, weekly newspaper, monthly newspaper, yearly newspaper, etc. Daily newspaper examples are Dainik Bhaskar, Times of India, Rajasthan Patrika, and Daily News, etc. Our next question will be, how many types of news are in newspaper? There are many types of newspaper. There are many types of news in newspaper, like sports news, terror news, Bollywood news, education related news, etc. There are many columns in newspaper, like classified column, foreign column, sports column, etc. And our next question will be, how many benefits of newspaper are? There are many benefits of reading newspaper. Reading newspaper is a good skill, and if we can learn new language, we should read newspaper. And reading newspaper improves our writing skills, reading skills, vocabulary skills, etc. And we get entertainment and social news. And at last, I will say that all people should read newspaper. That's it.
ओके अरे संजू मैडम, पूर्णिमा, इसको बुलाओ जरा, तमन्ना को इसको जरा कॉल करो, अगर ये पॉसिबल है, अगर इसके लिए तो।
सर मैं भी आ गई।
हाँ ओके, ठीक है बेटा।
Okay, sir.
हाँ
Nice, Neha. You spoke very well, but you little hesitated. Your voice is shiver, but keep it up. Now next turn is Tamanna. Are you able to speak, Tamanna?
बेटा माइक चालू करो, शायद आपका माइक चालू है या नहीं है। चालू है माइक तो। तमन्ना आवाज नहीं आ रही बेटा आपकी, कोई दूसरा फोन ले लेना, घर पे कोई होगा फोन दूसरा। नहीं है? ओहो, चलो कोई बात नहीं है बेटा, कोई बात नहीं है, अभी करते हैं, देखा तेरा कुछ भी। यस पूर्णिमा, नेक्स्ट नाम लो आप।
Okay, next is Astha.
Yes. Hello everyone, my name is Astha from Ramban English Online Interactive Classes B8. Today I am telling you about newspaper. Newspaper is very important for us. We get information of world from newspaper. There are many types of other languages newspaper. The color of newspaper is in white and black.
Very good.
It is very necessary for us in our life. Newspaper provides many news of sports, government information, education, science, etc. The full form of news is north, east, west, and south. And the full form of paper is past, present, and report. It is the source of entertainment and news. We have to read newspaper in English, because from English newspaper our reading get better.
Very good.
So that's it.
Very good. This is Astha and she is in 6th class, but her performance is very nice. Yes. स्वानी, अब तुम बोलना चाहोगे वापस? स्वानी अभी कनेक्ट हुई। हाँ यस पूर्णिमा, कैरी ऑन।
Very well. I think there is some lag issue in my side or other one? Some disturbance. Okay, by this Preeti ma'am.
Yes, I have muted.
Okay, next turn is Preeti ma'am.
Good evening, all of you. My name is
Ma'am,
Today our topic
There is too much disturbance. Preeti, make it okay.
Hello.
हाँ, disturbance है
Sir, my
अभी.
voice is
टीवी वगैरह चल रहा है क्या?
no,
टीवी
sir,
वगैरह
nothing.
हैं?
Only fan is going on.
फैन को बंद करो.
Okay, sir, I switched off.
Yes. Now speak.
Good evening, all of you.
हाँ, अभी भी डिस्टर्बेंस है. लोकेशन चेंज करो अपनी. लोकेशन चेंज करके इधर उधर ऊपर आ जाओ.
Okay, sir.
नीचे ऊपर हो.
Okay, sir.
अब ठीक है.
Sir,
यस.
नीचे हूँ.
हाँ, आप बोलो.
Okay. Good evening, all of you. My name is Preeti Agarwal. Today our topic is newspaper. So I'm telling you about newspaper. Newspaper is one of the oldest source of information. It is, as its name is newspaper, so it is the news are published on paper, so that's why we call it newspaper. And on newspaper we get many kinds of newspaper, like games, political, and educational also. We get many ads and advertisement, and many kind of shops ad also. By them we can find out any place, and we can find out any jobs, and for entertain us we can we get many kind of puzzles in it, so that we can solve them. And some of the people read the newspaper daily, so they get addicts of it, and they can't live without it, as some of the people can't live without tea, without coffee. So this is also become their daily routine, so they can't they get addicts of it.
Addicted.
And they can't
कोई बात नहीं, बोलो आप.
addicted.
हाँ.
They get addicted of it, and they can't live with it. So all the persons should make this habit, so because we can get we can get knowledge of all over the world with the help of newspaper. That's it, sir.
ओके, वेरी गुड. तुम्हारा गला भी अभी ठीक नहीं है.
Yes, sir.
मुझे लगता है तुमने कोई वो पसीने पानी वानी पी लिया. कोई बात नहीं, थोड़ा सा रेस्ट करो आप, है ना. यस, पूर्णिमा.
Thank you, ma'am. You speak very well. I can understand. Okay, next turn in Anjali.
Hello everyone. My name is Anjali Meena. Today's my topic newspaper. Newspaper is an important part in our life. It is very helpful to us. There are many types newspaper like Dainik Bhaskar, Rajasthan Patrika, Sanskar, etc. Many types of language newspaper: English, Hindi, Marathi, etc. With the help of it, we can get news in the world. Newspaper is also important for students. With the help of it, students achieve its good goal. Newspaper increase our knowledge. Many types advertisement in the newspaper. Many type information is in newspaper. Newspaper helps people understand their problems.
Very good. Yes.
Newspaper highlight the important events with the help the readers to be informed with the latest update. By this student, we can learn general knowledge and current affairs. Newspaper useful all people like businessmen, government employee, students, etc. Newspaper is very important for us. That's
Thank you, Anjali. You speak very well. Next is Bhavesh.
Bhavesh is a new student from B9 and I appreciate him. Yes, Bhavesh, very good. Yes.
Hello everyone, my name is Bhavish Sharma. I study in Ramban online English classes. I am talk about newspaper. Newspaper is very important our life. It gives us knowledge. There are many types of news in it. I read a newspaper daily.
Very good, yaar.
I like sports news. I like sports news most. It gives us business news as well as other types of news. Thank you.
वेरी गुड. अरे वाह यार, तेरे लिए तो ताली बजाता हूँ मैं यार. अभी तेरे को 2 दिन हुए हैं, तूने बड़ी हिम्मत करी यार. सबसे बड़ी बात तो ये है बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड, शाबाश. यस पूर्णिमा, कोई कमेंट इसके लिए?
Keep it up,
बहुत
Bhavesh.
छोटा बच्चा है ये.
We all feel very ashamed on self.
यस. इट इज अमेजिंग यार, मतलब ये इसका श्री का भाई है ये.
Okay.
यस, श्री का भाई है ये.
So it's
मतलब
very natural,
उसका
sir.
कजिन है ये. और पर है ना, बहुत बढ़िया यार, मतलब आज तीसरे दिन में तुमने बहुत हिम्मत करी बोलने की यार, ये सबसे बड़ी बात है हमारे लिए. वेरी गुड यार.
Very good, very.
यस,
Keep it.
कैरी ऑन. अंजलि.
Next is Mona.
मोना से पहले शमा है, वो अपने बारे में कुछ बोलना चाहती है. शमा मेरे ख्याल से.
Okay, sir.
हाँ, शमा है क्या?
No. Next is Shama.
शमा, आई थिंक शी हैज लेफ्ट. ओके, कोई बात नहीं है. संजू, आर यू एबल? नहीं. तमन्ना इज नॉट एबल. शी हैज सम टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम. ओके, नाउ यू कैन कॉल मोना.
So next is Mona.
यस
Mona,
मोना.
are you here?
Yes.
हाँ बोलो.
Hello everyone, my name is Mona Meena. Today my topic is newspaper. Newspaper is very important for us. Newspaper is part of our life. There are many types of newspaper like Rajasthan Patrika, Dainik Bhaskar, etc. There are many languages of newspaper like English, Hindi, Marathi, etc. There are a lot of advertisement in a newspaper.
शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा बोल रही है बेटा, बोलती रहे.
Newspaper is very important. I think nowadays all people read newspaper and because newspaper increase our knowledge.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश कर रही है तू. बस बोलती रहे, कोशिश करती रहे, बस घबराए मत. हाँ,
We get information for it.
सही गलत कुछ मत सोच, तू बोल बस. कोशिश कर बस अच्छे से बोलने की. हाँ,
Some people read newspaper like if if we can don't newspaper and we so we get not we get we cannot get knowledge. That's it.
ओके मोना, मेरी बात सुनो। आप
Yes, sir.
मंडे से फिर से चालू करोगे 6:30 से 7:30 के बीच में। सेल्फ वर्क करेंगे आप और उसको चेक करवाएंगे मेरे से,
Okay.
है ना। आप अपना फिर से चालू करोगे बेटा एक बार। बाकी ठीक है, कोई चिंता मत करो, हो जाएगा। और कोई रह गया हो तो हाँ, सुहानी रह गई शायद।
Yes, sir.
हाँ, यस।
Hello everyone. Today I tell you about newspaper. Newspaper is very essential thing of our life, and it is available in many languages like Tamil, Marathi, Hindi, English, etc. And its color is black and white. Mostly it's print in black and white color. Mostly is it pink in black and white color. And newspaper teach many things in education, politician, and many things. And in newspaper, lots of news are printed, like educational, political, entertainment news, and etc. And every people should read newspaper daily, and I am also read newspaper daily. And we take a daily habit of reading newspaper, and it is very essential thing of our life. And we saw many advertisements, and many marriage advertisements, many advertisements in it. And it has many types of newspapers, and there are many companies of newspaper like Rashtradoot, Rajasthan Patrika, Dainik Bhaskar, etc. And we read stories in newspaper also. And there are many educational stories, like many educational stories in it. And it has many recipes in it for women's. That's all, sir.
Yes, Purnima.
Very nice, Suhani. I'm audible?
Yes.
Okay. Keep it up. You speak very well. Now, I think all have done.
Yes.
But last one is Araina, sir.
Yes, Araina, come.
Okay.
Good evening. My name is Arana. Today's topic is newspaper. I want to tell you something about newspaper. Newspaper is a very good source of news. It contains many sections like political, cultural, Bollywood, Hollywood, and sports. It is very good source of knowledge. It can increase our knowledge, and we can two types of newspaper come in our home. First Hindi and second English. I like to read English newspaper. In it, I like to read political section. And it is very useful and as necessary for everyone.
Okay. Araina, you trying your best.
माँ बहुत अच्छा है, वेरी गुड। बोलो, आप बोलो पहले, फिर बोलूंगा मैं।
So much. Now today's, I think today's speaking class is over.
Yes.
Over
But
to you, sir.
हाँ, यस। देखो ऐसा है, अभी अगर कोई और बोलना चाहता है तो आज हमारे पास जो लेटेस्ट जो नया बैच है उसमें से आरायणा ने बोला, बहुत अच्छा कोशिश
सर मैं
की
बोलना
है।
चाहता हूँ।
यस, कम ऑन। अभी गौरव। यस
Yes sir. My name is Gaurav. So today's my topic is newspaper.
हाँ
So we knows already newspaper is important role of our life. Newspaper are so many types like Rajasthan Patrika, Hindustan Times, and Hindustan Times. So we improve our English like English read we I read daily newspaper
हाँ,
English.
बिल्कुल
So
बोलते रहो बेटा, घबराओ
improve
मत
our
बिल्कुल भी। हाँ,
English.
बस बोलते रहो आप तो
So
बस।
improve our English. And we improve our general knowledge. Read daily newspaper.
हाँ
And we saw everywhere newspaper. And newspaper. That's it.
ओके, कोई बात नहीं है, बहुत अच्छा। आ जाओगे लेवल पे आप, बस कोशिश करने वाली बात होती है। और भी कोई बोलना चाहता है? जो रह गए हैं B9 में से, नए बैच से भी कोई बोलना चाहता है तो बोल सकते हैं। अपने बारे में भी 4 सेंटेंस बोलना चाहें तो बोल सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। कोई अगर रह गया है वो बोलना चाहता है तो बोल सकता है।
सर मैं बोलना चाहता
हाँ बोलो बोलो, शिवराज बोलो।
Hello everyone, my name is Shivraj Narwal. Today is topic newspaper. It is good general knowledge. If the newspaper.
कोई बात नहीं है, 2 लाइन भी बोलोगे तो बहुत है हमारे लिए, हम कर लेंगे अपने आप आपको तैयार। आप चिंता मत करो, घबराओ मत, बस। और बोलो बेटा, बोलना है तो शाबाश।
बस सर।
बस सर, कोई बात नहीं है बेटा। और कोई?
सर
हाँ
मैं अपनी स्कूल के बारे में बोलूं?
नहीं, अभी नहीं बेटा, स्कूल के बारे में बुलवाएंगे बेटा, बाद में बुलवाएंगे, है ना। अभी काफी लेट हो जाएंगे अपन, आप लोगों का डेटा भी देखना पड़ता है मेरे को। और कोई B9 में से कोई भी बोलना चाहता हो? नहीं बोलना चाहते, कोई बात नहीं, हम अपने आप को तैयार कर लेंगे आपको। कोई भी बोलना चाहता है तो बताए, कोई अगर रह गया है तो। चलिए 1 मिनट के लिए कैमरा चालू कर लो बस अपना अपना आप लोग। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच।